chill is settling in. Good time for a fire. I'll get it started, Mom. Need to warm up my trunk. Can I help with the fluffing?
I can fan the flames when they get going. Just finished the tractor. Time for a break. And some heat. Patience, everyone. Fire needs a slow, steady start. New vlog. Cozy Farm Fire Time. Check the cinematic lighting.
Okay, moment of truth. Let's do this. That's a lot of smoke! Cough, cough! Whoa, that's a major backdraft!
Smoke out! Total disaster, guys! Get the drama!
Sweetie, did you open the damper fully? The what now? I just lit the fire.
Just gotta fan this out. That's it! The flue's clogged! Brave Badger, look at that suit!
Knew the air was heavy. Farmer's intuition, eh?
Looks like it's a job for the pro. Stand back! Fire is out! I will prepare the new dry start. These are the freshest. A clean flue deserves a clean start. New angle, cinematic. Let's get that Brave Badger POV. Great. Open the inspection panel, clear the blockage.
Careful, Badger! You'll get soot everywhere!
Just a little bit of farm-flavored soot, nothing to worry about.
Yay! I think I can breathe now. Okay, Mom. Dry kindling, full damper, deep breath.
Take your time, little one. The flue is ready.
Clean slate. This time, all the way open. There we go. Now that's a real fire.
Better air quality than outside the cabin now. Job done. My fan work was unnecessary, but appreciated.
"7 p.m. Time for the reward. Post-adventure smoothies."
Cough becomes cozy. With a clean flue.
New title: Badger saves the day, Chimney disaster. like and subscribe.
All good things come from patience and proper setup.
Muddy boots off the rug, please, everyone. Clean up later. I'm calling this the Clean Flu Strawberry Smoothie from now on. To teamwork and never trusting a damp log again.
To the tools and the mechanic who knows how to use them.
Every farm challenge is a chance to learn, right, sweetie?
Gather the moisture, manage the heat. Always balance. Upload complete. Farm vlog is going viral. Smoke gets the clicks.
Tomorrow, we check the tractor flu. Prevention is always better.
Just 5 more minutes of cozy. Then I'll stretch.
Clean flue, smooth combustion, just like a perfectly timed engine.
Don't forget the damper.
I will protect the cozy. No more smoke for us. The day's energy must be cleansed for tomorrow's harvest. Vlog over, team. Remember, a clean flue is a happy adventure.
Time for quiet.
Big day on the tractor tomorrow, kids.
Good night, Mom. Don't forget your muddy boots. I won't. See you all in the morning, bright and early.
A well-laid fire is a safe fire. Good mechanics apply everywhere.
A flower for the successful hearth. Good energy, good growth.
Night, everyone. See you on the feed. Battery is low. Rest time for the vlogger.
Warmth is the best mechanism of all. Good night, little ones.
The day is closed. The lesson is learned. Peace in the farm.
A clean flue. A good harvest.
Always check the damper, sweetie.
Prevention is always better.
Fan work appreciated.
Almost morning, almost time to wake.
Sunrise. Farm time.
Time to check the fields before the dew burns off. Morning already? I dreamt about perfect flue smoke.
Up and ready to assist. What's today's farm adventure?
Today's adventure, making sure nothing breaks down in the first place.
The morning is a clean slate. Let's make it productive.
Good morning, farm fam. Vlogging that beautiful, clean farm air.
Say hi to the camera, squirrel. Let's get the day rolling. Sweetie, you're driving the berry cart today.
I'm on engine maintenance. Don't push that old girl too hard.
She's running clean, just like our flue. Berry cart prep. Lost dog, check the wheels for me.
Wheels are loyal. Ready to roll, sweetie.
Berry cart POV. Smooth ride, sweetie, smooth ride.
Nurture the new growth. Keep the flow steady.
Every day is a tune-up. Keeps the farm honest.
Damper open, flue clean. Lesson learned and remembered. Ready for whatever the clean farm day brings.
That's a wrap on the Chimney adventure, friends. See you tomorrow.
Another day, another clear run, just like the flu.
Little sips of life. That's the secret to steady growth. Morning coffee for the field crew. You earned it, Turtle. Cough becomes cozy with Clean Flu. The next adventure awaits.